Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make ring text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make ring text in this document. Write something in this page. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, then click word drop down menu, word art drop down menu, then apply any effect. Then click the word art and go to the format menu. Then click text effect and select transform drop down menu. Then choose ring effect. Then resize the text to see better this ring effect. Now we can see here we make ring text effect very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.